So, you're a video creator who edits their own videos, or you're a broadcasting student who is forced to edit their own. Please help me, I am being held hostage. The problem for you is that it's just not fun. Either you've been editing videos for a while now and it's just lost its charm, or you're relatively new to it and just don't like it. Well, you're in luck, because I'm gonna teach you how to not hate editing in this tutorial. Let's go. Step 1. Edit something you don't already hate. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I already hate it? What if I'm making this against my will, therefore I hate it by default? Sometimes that happens, so it's important to pre-plan your content, whether that's by yourself or with your group, which is difficult, but it can be done. So choose content that you're into. Don't give in to popularity and go with the crowd, because that's not what's going to make you happy. Choose something that you're passionate about, and don't give a hoot about what anybody else thinks. Step 2. Cut it down. Cutting down your footage into the parts that you're actually going to use can make the editing process way less stressful. That way you're not Wait, we don't even do this. Why is this? Did you write this? Yeah. Shut up, I literally hate you. Cutting out all of the unwanted silence or unnecessary talking can really help the editing process go a lot smoother when you go back in and really edit. It may be time consuming, but that's time spent progressing and making your life way easier in the long run. Step 3. Learn. If you want to feel good about what you're editing and make progress in your skill, then you're going to have to learn. There's a ton of easy tutorials on YouTube for various edits that you can learn from channels like Adobe in a Minute, Alufemi, and so many more. Adding new things to get over that creative Adding new things to get over that creative block can make the editing process way less boring. So explore the world of editing and try out new things. Step 4. Run it back. Sometimes it feels like your video is going absolutely nowhere and the edit that you just made is absolutely garbage. So try this. Go back a few seconds, maybe like 20 or so, and watch your video from there. That way you can see how it all flows together. Once you see that progress, you'll realize how much of a great editor you are. Plus you'll have fresh ideas of where you want your video to go after that edit that you were contemplating. Step 5. Take breaks. It's really important to take breaks in between edits. As YouTuber and editing god Finzar says, short bursts of editing in 45-minute intervals helps you to stay engaged with a mind of fresh ideas instead of being burnt out with a block all the time. So go take a 10-minute walk or clean up, pet your cat, skateboard, I don't care. Just know that pacing yourself is key, and it's imperative that you take consistent breaks. Step 6. Think about your outcome. Manifest it even. Think about it so hard and how great it's going to be and how many people are going to love it, how great it's going to make you feel. Think about the purpose. Why am I doing this? What is my goal? Just don't think about it too hard. Then you'll start questioning your existence. Step 7. Quit second-guessing yourself. Okay, we need to be practicing what we're preaching right now. Listen, it's not my fault that you suck and I don't. That edit that you just made that you've watched over 1 million times and you can't figure out if it's good or not and it's burning up all of your time and energy, just forget about it. Leave it that way. It's one edit out of the entire video and no one's probably gonna even notice or care, except for me. I'm always judging your editing. Always. If one thing is taking up a ton of your time, then it's just not worth it. Let it slide and move on. The 8th and final step. When in doubt, force yourself to make it fun. Now this might just be a me thing, but I talk to myself while I edit, like I'm watching a video or if I'm making comments on it like I'm a judge. And it actually helps me to make the editing process a lot more fun. Treat it kind of like a game and really feel your video. Connect to it spiritually and watch as your creation comes to life. Well, that's about all the tips I have for making editing less boring. Hopefully some of these help you, and if they don't, better editing is not guaranteed. I am not responsible for your actions. Please don't sue me.
Hey! Didn't I tell you to have that video done by today?
It's almost done. There's just a few more minutes left to edit.
Listen, it better be done, or else you're not going to be allowed to enjoy your life anymore.
No.
Yeah, that's right. You better get it done.
Okay, I promise it'll be done.
Good, good.